Typically, whenever change happens, it's a months. And now with AI, the speed to value is expected to be weeks. If someone can't do it, they will perish. We are into the BFSA, which is basically banking, financial services, and insurance. So we pretty much serve top 5 to 7 banks globally. Overall, we support $2.8 trillion of assets under management, and we power more than 550 million customers. The first challenge is it's very siloed data. We started having some fundamental challenges in terms of the data availability. The whole process is, because it's so tightly coupled, the schema is very rigid. Change requests are taking a few months. With AI, right, it's important for every business to become a kind of a cognitive enterprise. Earlier, you can live with the technical debt for many years and you're still okay to somehow manage it. I think those days are gone. We understood what is the power of MongoDB and how it's readiness from AI use cases. I thought, why we have to just fix this OLTP problem or OLAP problem, how we can ensure that take this opportunity to reimagine what the wealth platform should look like for the AI world. We worked very closely with MongoDB for their modernization journey. So MongoDB really understood what our current state looks like, what is working, what is not working, and how the data model can just not lift and shift, but reimagine. First important outcome is we are able to operate in production at a 30% of the cost. From a performance perspective, it is minimum 50 to 70% faster than what it was, and certain things more than 200x. It is giving some invaluable outcomes on the AI use cases, where we leverage the MongoDB Vector Search. We have a production use cases where the accuracy is about 90-95% consistently. This journey helps us to really future-proof ourselves, the kind of a workload that we anticipate for our platform, and also kind of a new user journeys that we can power leveraging the MongoDB and the AI.